Right, and starting the 15th of March, taxi unions in the city of Mumbai threaten to bring the city to a standstill if the government does not implement the Maharashtra City Taxi Scheme 2016, a long-standing demand of the taxi unions, which will enable them to fight cab-based aggregators Ola and Uber. Taxi unions say that the aggregators have hampered their daily businesses, and if these rules get implemented, cab aggregators will have to fall in line with Kali Pili taxis. Amita Balachandra gets us the latest.
Maharashtra's taxi unions, especially Mumbai's taximan union, has now decided to go on a strike starting the 15th of March if the Maharashtra City Taxi Scheme is not implemented. Remember, these rules that the Maharashtra government has formulated brings about a level playing field between app-based aggregators and Kali Pili taxis. The rules that have been included, of course, has introduced minimum and maximum fare for app-based aggregators, the ability for them to convert to Kali Pili taxis if they want to operate within the city limits. We understand now that the Transport Department has cleared this proposal. In fact, Transport Minister Dibakar Raote confirmed to Magic Bricks now that this file now lies with the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Devendra Fadnavis, and CM Fadnavis has to take a final call on the implementation of Maharashtra City Taxi Scheme, which is slated to happen over the next week or so. Amita Balachandra for Magic Bricks Now.
This bill is pending since last 2 months with the CM, and central government has already cleared it. And why this delay, unnecessary delay? The taxi people are incurring the loss. In the suburban taxi business is completely wiped out because of the illegal operation of the taxi.
So if it doesn't get implemented by the 15th of March, are you threatening to strike?
Yeah, we are going to take a very strong decision whether we will to continue whether it is indefinite strike or a day strike. That will decide later on.
काली पीली टेक ओला उबेर आया है तो अच्छा है, मगर फिर भी इसका भी कुछ डिसीजन होना चाहिए. अगर वो ऐसा आ गया तो ठीक है, लेकिन उसके प्रति कुछ अलग सिस्टम, अलग ढंग होना चाहिए चलाने की. वो भी 50 रुपये किलोमीटर चल रहा है, कहीं पहले 100 रुपये था, अभी 50 रुपये कर दिया, अभी छोटा भाड़ा भी मार रहा है.
तो सिटी में ये हालत है कि जो हम लोग बाहर निकलते थे 200 का भाड़ा निकालने के लिए, अब दिन भर 22 रुपये कितना मारेंगे कि धनी कम पैसा निकाल पाएंगे.
लोकल में तो उतना खास कोई फर्क पड़ा नहीं है. अभी हम लोग दिन में 2-1 चक्कर बाहर चले जाते थे, अभी वही बाहर नहीं जा मिलता है. और लोकल वाले के लिए ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ा.
ओला उबेर से तो हम लोग को फ़र्क पड़ गया है, मगर उनको तो मीटर वगैरह लगाना चाहिए था. आदमी बोल रहा था क्या अभी उनका मीटर लगेगा, अप्रैल में लगेगा, मगर उनके लिए कुछ कानून हो ही नहीं रहा है.
अरे जब से ओला हुआ है तब से हम लोग को तो धंधे नहीं हो रहा है मैडम. तब से सब ओले ओवर में जा रहा है. तब से हम लोग तो ठप गा रहे हैं, पूरा लाइन में खड़े रहते हैं.
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/magicbricksnow. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at Magic Bricks Now. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/magicbricksnow.